Hey, so we're going to walk through how to use this Magenta RealTime audio injection notebook. So first thing you're going to do is connect the TPU. So click this little triangle up here and change the runtime type. You're going to choose V28 TPU. I've got a bunch of other options here because I'm using the Colab Pro, but everybody should have access to this one. So hit save. And now we're going to scroll down to this first cell and install the dependencies. So hit this play button, hit run anyway, and this is going to take 5 minutes, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay, we're back. That took about 4 minutes, and it's asking us now to restart this session. So I'm going to click restart session, and then scroll down, and we're going to run the second cell, which is going to initialize the model. So this is going to download a bunch of stuff. Hit play on that and be back in a sec. All right, so that took about 6 minutes, and we're almost at the fun part, but we just have to set up a few settings first. So with audio injection, the way this is going to work is the Magenta RealTime model is going to be generating music, but we're also at the same time going to be kind of steering the model with our own audio input, and that could either be a pre-recorded track that we have lying around, or for this demo we're going to use a live mic. So we're going to sort of be steering the model through the mic input. So if we use live mic, we're going to have to do a little bit of mic calibration, so let's see how that works. So we're going to run this cell. It's asking for mic permission, so I'll accept that. After you accept, you have to run the cell again. And then when you run it, you're going to see this, using live mic input, hit start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my headphones, and you should be using wired headphones for this ideally. Put them close to wherever your mic is. So if that's like your laptop mic, put the headphones close to your laptop, or if you have an external mic, put the headphones close to the mic. And then hit start and just wait for about 10 seconds. So let's do that now. Cool, so you can see it's already finished, and it estimated the latency as at 4 seconds, which is what it should be. So we can go to the next settings. So this is the metronome and loop settings. So with live mic input, you're going to be performing along with a metronome as a way of kind of priming the model. And you can set the speed of that metronome. So let's set it to 130 BPM, 8 beats per loop. Maybe I'll do 3 intro loops. So it's going to do 3 loops before the model comes in. So I'll hit the play button to lock in those settings. And it's telling me the model's going to join in after 11 seconds. Last one we have is the prompt setting. So this is just what text prompts you want to use. Those are fine. And this option for a live audio prompt, that gives you kind of a stronger audio steering effect, but that'll only work if you're using Colab Pro. So I'm using that, so I'm going to check that. But if you're not using it, it should still work fine. So yeah, I'm going to lock that setting in. And now we can start the demo. So we'll hit this and wait about a minute. All right, that's ready to go. So I'm gonna put my headphones on, hit the start button, and then I'll hear a metronome, and I'm just gonna do something in time with that. So maybe we'll just start counting along with it. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now we can tweak some of these style prompts, get a different sound. And we can also try injecting some other sounds into the mix. So let's try this out. was fun. So now we stop, and if we want to save that for later, we run these cells. So I'm going to run this, and then the next 3 cells are going to give us the input audio that we sent in and the output left and right channels coming from the model, and we can download those for later, load them up in your DAW, do whatever you want with them. There you go.